Make it move around.
Aww.
I feel sorry for it.
That's why they created cats.
Make sure you get the mouse in it.
Hey, move, Zach.
Close-ups.
Zach, move, I said.
When he's
Kill
breaking
that
old
already.
toys.
Kill Jerry!
You guys do know that it's recording your voices, right?
It's Tom. It's Jerry.
It's funny.
Close.
Morgan, don't worry about it. Just get in here.
He's dealing with the mouse anyways. Looks like it's dead anyways.
It's not. It's just not moving.
Maybe it's paralyzed.
I can see it breathing.
No, like paralyzed as in I can't move my arms.
Or my legs. Or my tail.
This is fun to watch.
Hey, no, it's not.
Why?
You know you sound really sadistic on videotape, right? This is fun to watch. It's an animal killing another animal.
Oh, sorry.
He's not sorry. He doesn't have to be.
Now you bring it back into your room.
Hey, dude. Oh yeah, I don't want to videotape the mess in my room.
Now it's going back out.
He wants privacy. Says, why don't you people leave me alone? Oh, my battery's gonna die any second now.
Where there's one, there must be more.